What am I gonna say? Hey beautiful people, so do you want to know which eyeliners are perfect for achieving the sharpest winged eyeliner look? Stick around and I'll show you 3 of my favorites, and I'll let you know which one is perfect for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Lily, and I'm here to share my love for makeup with you. Achieving the perfect winged eyeliner look usually comes down to 2 things, having the right technique and having the right product. In this video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite eyeliners that I use to achieve a perfect wing. The right product can usually make the job easy, especially for beginners. As always guys, I'm going to leave the links to the products down below, and if you want to join the Lily wagon, hit that subscribe button. Okay, we'll start off with the NYC Liquid Eyeliner. It's a drugstore brand, and it's one of the best. The formula is creamy and long-lasting, and it comes with a fine brush applicator. I like this brush because it gives you control on how fine or bold you want your winged eyeliner to be. The next one we'll talk about is the TARDIS Clay Paint Eyeliner. And I like this one because it's a gel formula and it's easy to work with. It comes with a brush applicator. It comes in a squeezable tube that has a carved feature that allows you to squeeze the product out and pick it up with the brush. This one gives control of how thick you want the line to come out for your winged eyeliner look. I usually use this one for when I want a bold eyeliner look. The next one I'll talk about is the TARDIS Double Take Eyeliner. I'm usually not a fan of felt tip eyeliners because of how fast they dry out and they usually skip when trying to create the line. But this is the only one that I've worked with so far that hasn't dried out very quickly and doesn't skip very often. It'll take some time to get used to it, but you'll get there. Now that I've shown you all 3 of my favorites, I'll tell you which one is the easiest for beginners, and my go-to. The winner is the NYC Liquid Eyeliner, the drugstore brand. It's my favorite because it's easy to applicate. Is that a word? It's my favorite because it's easy to use and it's perfect for beginners. And I also like liquid eyeliners because it's a lot more forgiving than maybe a gel formula or the felt tip formula. I also like it because of the brush. I like a very fine to sharp, precise line for my wings, and this allows me to get it perfect every time. Alright guys, now that I've told you about my go-to eyeliners, what are your favorites? Let me know down below in the comments. Maybe I'll find a new one. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for new content every week. See you next time. Bye!